Isikhathi bengishilo ngathi sokwamukela ke iKZN Matric Academy sebekhona ke emsakazweni wakhe iNongoma FM. Siqale ke singapha sibuye sikhulume nabo.
Thenga eboxa kuleli phasika uthole i-Ola Rich and Creamy Ice Cream 1.8 litre amabili ngo-60 kuphela. I-Beefy Slice Brown Bread 700 gram amabili ngo-18 rand. Ungadinga ukhokhe ngaphezu kwenteko yakabhoxa.
Afternoon traffic ngempela lapha kwiNongoma FM we play we listen ke lapho ngizwe umlando wamkhulu into basemjabalanga samqoma ngaba semthanda iyo mvumo lokufika kwasemelika ngisho Obama ivuma umthathu wabulala insozana ke nizwe nobana ngakho kwazama into yakwazi ukufika shoshana lapha sithi ke 88.3 FM is the number one community radio station in KwaZulu Natal. Siyaqinisekisa ukuthi ke sasikhona ke lapha ke ngizwe umlando wamkhulu kanye nomfana Betheni we play we listen to Nongoma FM njengamanje ke sithi ke ubu bonke ngempela ke abalaleli beNongoma FM kuphinde kube la kufanele khona Nongoma FM ngamakaka somoya kuzo zonke intaba zaKwaNongoma kuzo zonke intaba zase Zululand sisesikhona shojalo sithi chama kwethu ukujabula kwethu kuya lokhunja ke kuthenekile amandla ngoba ke sisanda ke utshala lapha ke inkosi ke yethu sonke sisizwe samaZulu uBhejane Phumekuni kade bekufanele lokho ukudla amadoda ke njengoba sazi ukuthi ke inkosi nakaBishop Khali ke iyakuqa ke bakwethu ke kodwa ke umlando yosala ke uyiphinda esikhathini ke sizayo njengoba sazi ukuthi ke iminyakeni ke ngama50 isesihlalweni njengamanje ke sikhona ke lapha ke sikunongoma FM siyingizwe online kanye Matric Academy hola lapha ke umfana Betheni umfakazulu iNongoma FM ihola lapha ke umfowethu ke uSibo umfakazulu ugila izimanga khona lapha ke ningizimu Afrika kwaZulu Natal njengoba sazi ukuthi ayikhona hayi mawufuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani endlenkulu kwenzakalani kwaZulu Natal play we listen to Nongoma FM.
Injalo indaba sithatha ke intambo nathi sikhona kuseyena umzukulu kaMatataso njengenkosi yebhubesi noma shop kamzimba uNtu ethi manqonda semdletsheni bathuthuma manje ngaseXhozeni usinangananga nasencwathi nazabelungu ezihlazana untomzama nkane zimphuphele ngemvuno izintombi kwelasemfabeni bathi uzipho zasuka emsinga zayothi cha baba kwelasemfabeni ukhona ke umfowethu ungizwe umlando umfamxhunu ukhona futhi ke umfana Betheni sikhoma ke emsakazweni wakhe iNongoma FM ikhona ingizwe online ikhona ke nomsakazi iNongoma FM kanjalo neKZN Matric Academy ndabe zethu sikwamukele emsakazweni iNongoma FM
sibingelela amakhosi akithi kwazi usibingelela
awuzwakala
ngizwela kude
uNkulunkulu mhle
Jamazithu ayende emkhodo siyabingelela ke noma kuphi la finyelela khona ke umsakazo Nongoma FM sibingelela amakhosi sibingelela induna sibingelela umgilishe ekhaya siyabingelela insizwe yohula amabutho ngaphandle nje ke kokuxakeka ngaphandle kweinkinga siyathokoza kakhulu siyabingelela nomntwana wakithi uSibo sithi cha sisekhaya siyakhuleka
ndabe zethu nansi indaba esibheka kakhulu namhlanje KZN Matric Academy mhlamba kwesithathe sivele sihambe naye kakhulu
Ndabazitha ngibonga kakhulu mfowethu ukuthi ube ingxenye yokuthi nawo uzokube isiqophamlando sokuthi isikole njengoba si-initiative enhle kangaka sokuphakamisa umphakathi wakithi sokuphakamisa izwe lakithi kwaNongoma unkana kakhulukazi nendawo ezakhele uNongoma iZululand yonke nje nalapho ufika khona uNongoma FM KZN Metro Academy nje ubona nje sihamba nomacingwane umacingwane ke abantu bam understand uma ekhuluma ukuthi ningenaphi noma ekhuluma indaba zokuthi awunazi inkinga kini but is a soul and open-minded person or understand that education unengane mangathi ngayibanje amanje ngabamba ikhanda sigcwala itekisi zime zidlula iquantum ngendlela ingane nazo uyayifundisa ezikoleni ezibalulekile so umuntu onabanje manje emakhaya abantu abaphakamisile through education abanye babo bayasebenza njengamanje banemsebenzi abazi ukuthi it's a permanent job for the rest of their lives so ke umacingwane umuntu esebenza naye kakhulukazi lapha kwiKZN Matric Academy umuntu futhi understand ukuthi education ibalulekile so siKZN Matric Academy njengoba nazi ukuthi ngiprincipal wasi isikole lesi abantu abangisupportayo baningi kakhulu nomacingwane ungomunye wabo abathi cha njengoba mfowethu uyafisa ukuthuthukisa indle emnyama ngoba asicacise lokho isikole sendle emnyama ngoba abantu bakithi siyafisa ukuthi bebe on top siyafisa ukuthi bekwazi ukuqhubeka nempilo yabo abanye bayasebenza bakwazi ukuqhubekela bebe ama manager bebe abaphathi ngenxaka matric so ke umacingwane ngomunye wabantu abathi cha mfowethu sizosupport initiative I'm still young I'm an open minded energetic I'm overthinker umuntu okwazi ukuthi ucabanga kwezi zinto ezingakenzeki zenzeke zibe khona so omunye umuntu cha eothe njengeNongoma FM uyafisa ukuthi ke sibe naye ezokwekhuluma nje ngeKZN Academy akazi uzodelela akazi uzotalapha akazi uzongcweka uzokhuluma nje professionally njengomuntu understand education uyazi ukuthi maku education
ayakwathi ukukhuluma mana mfowethu uqala ngicome la kulinsizwa lemisila sizanele impela cha ke hayi ikhono likhona mfowethu nomsakazo mangabe ukhona umsakazo ngiyalaleleka so kulokho nje for me that is excellent you've got a bright future in broadcasting and you may carry on doing what you are gifted of so that you can be a future of this country definitely I'm very proud of what I've listened yes so ke manje ke njengoba sikhona lapha nje umfana betheni kwaZulu ngiyamuzo ngithi avuze yale nomuntu omdala kabi nomuntu abekadakayo ulokhu ethi yamyanga mina ngineminyaka yakhe bengisenginamakhosikazi amangaka amabili uzonke basenginamakhosikazi amathathu at his age so can you imagine ukuthi lo muntu umfana akaseyena umfana ngokuncane he's not a boy because he's young he's a boy because he's not practiced he haven't practiced into yabantu amadala so ke manje indaba yomuntu nje ngihamba naye nje ufuna ucacisela abalali benongoma he can be good as a principal of the Matric Academy that is excellent job is a job well done but he hasn't done well in his personal life.
In terms of personal life.
He hasn't done well in terms of the legacy of his own family. At the age of 25, I was married with my first wife. Yes.
27, second wife.
It's important to be focused as a human being and to be disciplined. It doesn't matter what challenges you face.
Fundiwe lapha kudlalwa lapha. Fundiwe lapha.
Okay. Ngokuzwa ukuthi bayazwa yini. Uthola umqhele nje, uthola umqhele ngivele bese kwathi ngibe ingisi. Ngidlala. So ke mfowethu as talented as you are, you have gone through some other a difficult screening. Screening sakhona esisho education as well as ukuthi ukungena tertiary level. Siyazi ukuthi ke ayikho into ebaluleka njenge tertiary level. Mina lokho ngikuthathi njenge initiative Matric Academy eholo umfana Phetheni as a principal. I also take it as a giving back to the community yeNongoma FM because to give him the platform like this lo muntu uma umnika ithuba njengaleli okusho ukuthi Noma FM iyaprioritize imfundo.
Yeah.
It's not all about entertainment. If mawucabanga ukuthi ulesine namhlanje ulesithathu namhlanje kusasa ulesine bese kuba ulesihlanu uma ungaphika ne-attitude yabantu abasha futhi nje base befunda insuku embili nje olunye baya offer kolunye baya offer abanye baya offer bayadakwa yabo so manje ke leyo nto leyo ke is dangerous for the future yabo
Macebane.
ngiyavinjwa abanye nje ngiyakomunye umuzwa wakhe loba nginemizi engixixile eThekwini ngivinjwa abanye bangishabulela ukuthi manje mina ngijabule ngithi mangikhuluma nabo ngiyababona ukuthi hayibo bancane labo bantu
Yeah.
ngithi mina ke anile ngale esikoleni ngoba phela isikhathi manje ngoba silapha nje mina lapho ukora 211 25 to 11 anile ngale esikoleni hayi sifunde ngabili sifunde nini ke ngayingane corona so siyongena next week kahle 13 nje basikumisa nje siyadansa
Somebody asibonga kakhulu mfowethu la KZN Matric Academy besiyilekelela abafundi kuba njengoba sesazi ukuthi azawuqala umkhankaso ukuthi silekelela abafundi siza ke izifundo ezahlukahlukene for those who didn't have matric noma abawuphasa bangakwazi ukuyena e-university noma baphasa bayihlalele emakhaya nje bazokwenzani KZN Matric Academy siyabalekelela ke noma ufeyila nje wawubhala siyakwazi ukulekelela sikhona ke izifundo esiba nazo mathematics pure mathematics mathematical literacy no geography no physical science no business study ke no economics accounting ikanjalo ke no life sciences no English language ngaba ihome or first language siphinde sibe nawo ama branches ehlukahlukene sinayo branch ePietermaritzburg sibe nayo branch ke lapha na ke eThekwini sibe nayo branch futhi lapha kwaNongoma uzo komunye ongaqhamuka mntaka baba ungawuthi masise kwaNongoma sifunde lapha sikhona lapha ke elayikona esikwazi ukuthi abantwana bekwazi ukuthinda khona omunye umbuzo obethu ungaqhamuka ukuthi mhlawumbe singatholakala kuphi sikhona lapha na ke phezulu kwaJoylani opposite Cartex garage la kwaNongoma office lethu khona lapha na ke sisebenza ke nenqwele ke lapha na project esikwazi ukuthi sibenze sona office number yethu sinayo office number 8 so but ziningi into esizenzayo lapha kwiKZN Matric Academy we offer ama face to face classes mentorship career guidance university application personal tutor ekanjalo nobe simlekele umntwana ukuthi akwazi uapply as terms of effort in the revolution kuma bursaries no NSFAS yakwazi ukumlekelela ukuze akwazi ukuyongena e-university asiphinde sikubaluleke lokho uMacungwane is the first mentor or he's the first leader owazi initiator for this revolution in terms of communication masikhuluma ngengizo online njengabamba abanye babekhuluma amagama angaphansi kodwa egcina konke bagcina sebebona ukuthi hayibo umhlaba nayi corona yasifundisa i-for the revolution ngenkani njengamanje sinengizo online elalula abantu abaningi endlini ezweni lakithi we si online esingizo online phinde futhi sibe nengonongoma FM njengoba sikhona nje abantu bayasibuka basilalele emakhaya
nasewindini
ukhona umuntu osenkingeni kaMexico noma ngabe uphesheya usho ukuthi ungafunda khona uphesheya ngoba uyogeza ingane zabelungu so wazi ukuthi upgrade education balekile ukuthi baningi abantu who may say and it depends that what are you doing there
Macungwane
abanye bayohlala eBeijing phesheya abanye bayokuyovakasha neintombi zabo bethi bangabadlali bebhola kodwa sebabona bafana bafana and mabebuya babuye uzosibozela same thing applies in education is very important ulokhunja umetric lokhunjana academy la ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi the future must be sharpened by lokhunjana education and the only way mangabe umuntu yabona amagama ashiwo umzali ekhaya njengamanje athi mntana makaphele ngawe ngenxa ukuthi umntana uluzu matric during the coronavirus uluzu matric during other years during pregnancy during febe wananga abafana noma during poverty yasekhaya ukufunda nokusebenza because izathu zihlukahlukene so ke manje ke this is a brilliant opportunity yokuthi to revive yourself mina njengomuntu oneqiniso njengomuntu oqonda ngqo ongancengi umuntu nawe umncengile kwakhona so manje ibalekile ukuthi if I'm associated with KZN Matric Academy it means it's truthful and it's going to help you as well as is a part of the 4th Industrial Revolution. Ikompoteni cannot be the part of the 4th Industrial Revolution and not implement it eskoleni. So therefore we are encouraging everyone. No se nxile utshwala waze wabona ilevel yokuthi yena akaselutho sehleli elindi ithuna sithi cha ithuna lakho liyoba ngemzuzu wokugcina wakho mhlazana ukuthi as young as you are, this is an opportunity to revive yourself.
Ama-seconds awu-30 mfowethu asivale sibe sesidedele ithimba lendaba.
Mhlaba ukubonga nje mfowethu mina ngumuntu o-appreciate-ayo.
Yeah.
To appreciate umsakazo nengoma FM, ngi-appreciate noNkulunkulu, ngi-appreciate nenyanya zakithi ukuthi zingineze umqondo ukuthi ngikwazi ke ukuba ingxenye ye-KZN Metro Academy. Phinde-ke ngithi-ke umuntu njengamanje sekhaya sithinte kulezi inombolo elandelayo. Uyakwazi ukuthola lapho ku-072
072
266
20
98.
asiphinde
072 266 20 98. Thumela lapha ku-WhatsApp nje mfowethu vele usibingelele sikwazi information